Google is suspending Universal Analytics in July of 2023. I'm sure you've all received the notice if you have a Google account, and you're only going to have access to your data for about 6 months after that date. So it's important to get G4 set up now so that you can start tracking your metrics and reduce any loss of an important information. I'm Carrie, founder of Core Commerce and your Shopify expert. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your G4 account, set up the tags, install the code onto your site, depending on your site access. So let's get started. So first things first, we want to head over to Google Analytics and set up our G4 account. So you will log into your admin section and you're going to create a new property. If you don't have a Google Analytics account, you'll need to go ahead and set one up, and then you can get to this step. So click on Create Property, and it's going to automatically set up the new G4 property for you. So you're going to put in your name of your project and then hit next. And then you can just fill out this information. This is just lead information for Google. And then next thing we'll need to do is actually set up our tag. So for this instance, because we're using a Shopify site, you want to click on web to enter your website information. So you just go ahead and put in your URL. And then create your stream. And it's going to automatically create the ID and then also the tracking code information that you need. So I'm going to head over to your Shopify website now that you have your account set up, and you'll navigate to sales channels, and you'll want to install the Google channel. And if you don't have it already, you can click over to recommended sales channels and then just do a search for it here, and you can get it installed on your site. So once you have that installed on your site, you'll click on Google. And once it's done loading, you're going to go ahead and connect your Google account. Now from here, you can click on the section where it says just to connect your Google Analytics 4. So you'll want to hit on Get Started. And then you'll go ahead and select the test account or test site property that you set up and hit Connect. And then that's all you'll need to do to connect your Google Analytics 4 property. If you are on, and then you can go back to your Google Analytics account and make sure that it is tracking the information that you need. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found this content helpful, leave a comment below and also hit the subscribe button for future videos.